Hello folks, so how are you doing? And we are in the third phase of the lockdown and we might move to a fourth phase. And if you are somebody who has been listening to the news, then you might know that Prime Minister Narendra Modi just announced a 20 lakh crore stimulus package that will help us to revive the economy. And today we are going to discuss exactly that what exactly is a stimulus package and why we need one, right? So if you are somebody who is listening to this on YouTube or on a podcast, don't forget to subscribe, and let's just start with the video. So guys, to understand what exactly a stimulus package is, I will just say a simple statement. Whenever a country goes into a recession, a stimulus package is announced by the government so that the country can be actually pulled out of recession. Now, what does that actually mean? Now, to understand stimulus package, first we have to understand recession. What exactly recession is? Now, when I talk about recession, it is actually when a country is actually having too much of unemployment, number one. Number two, the spending power of people is less. That is, their real income is quite low. And third thing is that the industry production is also low. So, if you know that currently India is actually going through that, the unemployment rate is quite high because of this continuous lockdown. A lot of companies haven't been operating, and because of which a lot of employees have been laid off, and a lot of us have seen pay cuts. Apart from that, we have also seen that all the people who actually depend upon their day-to-day income are not getting jobs. So during such crisis, our stimulus package is something that actually helps the economy to revive. Now, how does that happen? Now, the stimulus package isn't something new. Back in 2008, when we saw that the economic crisis that came after the banks failed, what happened was America came forward with a 11 lakh crore package that was to boost their economy. What happened in India was Dr. Manmohan Singh actually came out with a package of 37,000 crores. That actually helped the economy to revive during that period. But today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced 20 lakh crore package, and what will that do to the economy is what we are going to discuss. Now, there are various ways in which this 20 lakh crore will be distributed. What the stimulus package will do is, number one, increase our purchasing power, or the increase our spending power. Now, what will happen is the government will either cut the tax rates. Now, what will happen when the government actually starts cutting the tax rate? Now, suppose a person X was earning rupees 100 and he was paying rupees 20 as tax to the government. Now suppose the government reduces the tax from rupees 20 to rupees 10. What will happen is, now Mr. X will have rupees 90 in his pocket to spend. So now he won't buy stuff worth rupees 80 only. He will spend entire 90 rupees, and that will help the businesses to earn more from common Indians. So like Mr. X, there are a lot of Indians who will spend more because they have to pay less taxes, and that is how the business will actually earn more money, right? So that is the number one way. The second way is by reducing the lending rates. Now if banks charge less interest, what will happen is we will start taking more loans, and we will avail more loans, because of which they will be able to lend more at a low rate, and that will again create a good reserve for all the banks. Now that is the second way by which the stimulus packages work. Apart from that, what they could actually do is they will give subsidies to the all the factories and all the companies that make products. Now what will happen is, when they give these subsidies, the companies will be able to actually save more and invest the balance amount and increase their production, and ultimately that will increase their profit. And in response to that, when the production increases, the employment increases simultaneously. So this is how the stimulus package are designed to boost the economy. So if a country is actually going through a recession, then these packages are saviors of the economy, and this is a great news. The market will react positively, and we will see some new records in the market. So I hope this video was actually helpful to you and you understood what actually stimulus packages are, and we have to wait to see how this 20 lakh crores have been distributed and how that will be used to revive the economy, and that will be announced by the finance ministry, that is Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman and her team. So we will wait for that, and I will update you how that is going to affect you or your surroundings. So I hope you liked the video, and if you did, do like the video, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.